Welcome back, Nature Boss. I am Dr. Okan, and today we are unpacking section A2abc of your syllabus, analyzing the structural complexity and evolution of Monera, Protista, and fungi. Many candidates fall into a massive trap right here. They spend hours staring at textbooks, trying to force Latin names like Rhizopus and Euglena into their brains, without actually mapping the evolutionary timeline that connects them. The JAMB board knows exactly who is studying this way. They design their questions to expose students who memorize the vocabulary but cannot see the actual mechanical upgrades between these different kingdoms. Scoring a 90+ requires a shift in strategy. You have to lock in the biological logic behind why these organisms are classified in this exact order, tracing the blueprints from the simplest design to the most complex. Let's build a life bridge. Look at cellular evolution like a Nigerian business scaling up its operations. First, we have Monera, the bacteria. These are your street hawkers. They operate completely out in the open. There are no defined walls, no compartments, and crucially, no private office for the manager. Biologically, we call this a prokaryote. They lack a true enclosed nucleus. Next on the timeline is Protista, like amoeba or Euglena. The business has upgraded into a walled local shop. They have constructed a boss's office to secure their master blueprint. This means they have evolved a true membrane-bound nucleus. Then we scale up to fungi, like the mushroom. Now we are looking at a bakery franchise. They build a network of connected branches called hyphae, sharing resources across a wider area, but haven't yet reached the scale of a factory like a green plant. Biological classification maps directly to these architectural upgrades. Evolution in your syllabus is simply the history of cells building better machinery.
Let's put this logic to work on the 2015 UTME. Question 5. The chromosomes of members of the kingdom Monera are within the A. Nucleoplasm, B. Nucleus, C. Nucleolus, D. Cytoplasm. Hold your fire, Nature Boss. Do not rush to guess right now. Let's run a design check using our street hawker. Pause this video right now. Think about the mechanical design. If a cell operates completely in the open without a boss's office, where does it store its master blueprint? A fast-reading student will scan the options, see chromosomes, and immediately guess option A, nucleoplasm, simply because it shares the prefix of nucleus. But remember the street hawker. If he doesn't have an office safe, where does he keep his money? He keeps it right there in his open pocket. The blueprint has to sit freely in the general fluid of the operation. Applying real-world functional mechanics slices right through the confusing terminology. The name of the kingdom gives you the architectural layout. The open pocket is the general fluid of the cell. The correct answer is D, cytoplasm. Now look closely at the Cramer's mirage. The examiner loaded the options with nucleus, nucleolus, and nucleoplasm, specifically to trap candidates who falsely assume every single-celled organism is a eukaryote with a central office. Excellent analysis, Nature Boss. You isolated the structural logic and dodged the trap. You've moved past the vocabulary and into the realm of architectural systems thinking. To lock in this biological blueprint, head over to the studio to review the section A2abc slides and infographic. Once you've reviewed the structural maps, prove your strength with the mastery quiz. Your mastery of section A2abc is confirmed. Seeing the mechanics behind the terms is what transforms you into a true, high-scoring scientist. Get to the dashboard and let's keep scaling up.